Last few weeks it was really hard time for me. I was really short in time trying to do the camper before the new tax will come, and I did all my stuff because I'm a coach. I trained all the people with world skills team. So let me show you what I do apart from doing a camper.
You gotta fight, fight, fight for what you really want. Fight, fight, fight. You're from the bottom up. I'm a legend in my time. Cause the hunger drove me to climb. Everybody wants to be the champion, it's true. Every pawn think they can carry it through. It's so dangerous, but I still live to feel the rush. I will be glorious, victorious. So give me the love I deserve. Get on your feet, I'm a champion. Cause I'm a snake, can't stick it, care of business. I cannot be beat, I'm a champion. I hear the crowd say, hey. They can't take me down. Rise up from the ground. I cannot be beat, get on your feet, give me that. Cause I'm the all-time champion, hey.
I couldn't do anything at home that time, so there was a big mess inside and outside the house. There was days when I couldn't do even a single job in the car because I was driving around town organizing things like getting the special belt support for the frame, this one, and I was organizing screws and steel, aluminium, etc. I have spent about 7 to 8 hours today on collecting things. So it was a long day before I can start working in the outside to clean the frame. And that it's all about to change this one. That's one arm of the frame into that. It's the one I've cleaned, and only now when I get the new screws and everything, it'll be easy to assemble, and maybe it'll take less time than the first stage, than taking it off. Yeah, that's what it's all about. It's funny, but it doesn't look like 4 hours to clean this up, but it took me 4 hours to make it look that way. It's really nice and clean, ready for primer, some of it. 33 degrees Celsius. It's really hot today, and I'm going to assemble all the frame. And this is what I can call a good quality work. Everything new, everything fits really well. Everyone has his favorite toys. These are mine. Now it will go up. And all I need is 30 screws, small ones, and get everything really tight. Sometimes you just need extra pair of hands to do some simple work, but you can't lift everything, you can't hold everything with yourself. So it's good that sometimes Jacob visited me, my cousin, so he gave me a hand when everything was assembled, frame with the isotherm, and we could put it back on the van. Some other time I need someone else to give me a hand with something different. So that's just the way it is. You just need extra pair of hands from time to time to do even simple works. What has been done in last few days? This is the full construction for the bed. As I said, above the cabin. Now you don't need any imagination to know how it's gonna be exactly. And this is how it was built. 30 by 30 millimeters, 2 millimeters thick. All the profile, everything, all the shape was done with that kind of stuff. Here, 50 by 30, 2 millimeters. An extra one here to hold it. Some kind of extra support for the whole construction on one side and on the other side. Here, that was a full profile. That was a full frame. So even here, that's some kind of extra holding here, an extra holding here on both sides. This one was really heavy and made for heavy duty because there was a lift in the back of the car. Now it's on the front, but it was really well built and ready for the big tensions and everything. So I just used that as a front of my living area now, and now it's strong enough to hold it. Here, one profile, another one, and one more here, and I'm gonna stick on the other side here. I'm gonna stick some kind of there. It's over there. So now it's more or less ready. But first of all, I have to sand it down everything with sandpaper. Give it a primer coat with some extra primer, and only then I can start fit all the side elements and the roof and the floor in here. So plenty of work left, not much time. Again and again I'm fighting with time, but now at least it looks like it's gonna be a camper. It's gonna be a mobile home.
Pięknie. Pięknie.
For the last 3 or 4 days there was over 30 degrees of Celsius and it's too hot. I can't wear a t-shirt, nothing, because it's just too hot. But today I need to wear the helmet. I need to wear it because otherwise I would lose control. I would kill myself because I have to do stupid work. Let me explain you what is going on. I need to clean everything with this hoover. Yeah, this one. Just clean this off and put it all back together on the dashboard, because without it I can't go for registration, and I will have to do it for a day or two just to go for the registration and take it off to clean it really well. And like this one on the floor, everything on the floor here, I want to sand it with sandblaster. I think that's how it calls, and only then I can put the special mat 2.5 millimeter thick to make it really nice and comfortable car inside. But I won't have enough time before the registration to do it now. Same with the back seats. There's no back seats, but I have to put them in, and after registration take them off, take them out, and only then I can do the rest of the work. So that will protect me from killing myself. But you know what? I still have a good fun with working on this car because I love it, just like that. But finally, I haven't managed to finish on time. So it's not registered. I've lost the key a few days before. I just placed the car once when we were doing all the bedroom above the cabin. And I don't know where I left them. So I just placed the van, and from that time it's still in the same place. And when I was doing some other work, I just broke the windscreen, the front windscreen. So it's broken. And last day at 9 p.m. I went to the DIE store to get some stuff that could be used as a kitchen cupboard, kitchen stuff, kitchen furniture, just to show everyone that I'm pretty okay. I'm just ready for registration. But even then, I had a broken window front screen. So the next day I was going to go at 8 in the morning to do to change the windscreen. Next step was to go for registration and then go to the city council with all the documents. But I couldn't find the key, and that I was really so short in time. And on some stage, I just gave up and I said, "Fuck it. I just will have to pay extra tax. It will hit me on my wallet, on my dinero, on my money." But it doesn't change anything because my dreams are more worth than my money. So I just need to get some time to clean everything, cut the grass outside the house, clean inside the house, organize myself, give myself some space in my head, get some rest, and I will back to finish the car pretty soon. But at this stage, that's all I can say, and take care and good luck.